In this video, we'll discuss about Style Addon. So with the Style Addon, you can style your contact form 7 form without even a single touch of CSS. So let me show you how. First of all, you can make sure these two plugins are available. A link of a video should pop up on top of this screen by now on how to do that. Now let's go to all add-ons and look for style. Here, we can enable the form styler single. The global form styler is a pro add-on, so we'll cover that on a separate video. Check that video. If you need all your form, for example, if you have 30 forms and you don't want to style one by one, you can style all those forms or from one place using our global add-on. Now, for the free version, we'll just be covering the single styler. Now, let's go ahead and add a form. Styler. We hit save. Now, before we do the styling, let's go ahead and publish this form first. So we publish this view page. So this is our current status of the form. Now let's go to our styling. We are playing about the form styles. So first of all, we have the color options of the labels. So we set the color of the labels, let's say red, and the background black. We make the font style italic, form to it, 700 font size, identified, no need to add pixel. So here you can add your font family. I'm skipping this because we're going to get the font and also enable the font. You need to make sure your forms are enabled. So let's go and publish now to see the status. As you can see, we have the level, like our color. Now, obviously, it doesn't look good. I'm just showing the options. So let's have some padding and margin between the level and the form fields. So we can add a 15 pixel padding, for example, and we can add, we don't need any, do we need any margin or cup? No. So you can just start the margin on bottom. Let's hit save. Now let's check. Okay, so now we have the status like this because on our form, we wrap the form field with the label. So in such case, you would do it like this. Now let's, so on the bottom, we have the padding a little bit more. So we just remove the bottom padding. Let's see now. So it's not really gone. Let's add a 5 pixel bottom. So as you can see, we can play around with all these offshores. Now it looks okay-ish. Now let's go to input fields. So on the input fields, we have the colors. So we can add the color like these. Let's make this blue. So here we also have the font style and some these. So these are almost same font leveling. We can keep this as it is. So here, let's add some margin on top. I'm adding the margins to different the level and their photo field. So here now, we can see we have a level and so and the color is like this. Now let's do some more of us here. So we have go on the input field. Now let's start the submit button. So the submit button color can be red. Let's hover color can be green. Background color black. Shadow color. So let's hit save. Now let's check our form again. So we have the subject color. Okay. Now let's see what else we have. So we have the border radius for the input fields here. So we can put, let's say, 4-pixel border radius. And here we have the bottom settings. And here we have the custom CSS. So if you want to add any custom CSS, you can also add those here. Let's hit save. Now let's view our page. So as you can see, we have the border radius and everything as it is. So that's how the Styler Addon works. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions.